Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to hard reset Honor 90 Lite phone. If you forgot the screen code, password or pattern, the only way to delete it is to reset to factory settings. To reset the phone, we need to put it in recovery mode. First, turn off the phone by long pressing the power button. Press the power and volume up buttons at the same time and hold them until the Honor logo appears on the screen. Then you can release the power button. Now you can release the power button but hold to increase the volume. Now the phone is in recovery menu. With volume down button, go to clear data and press the power button. With volume up button, go to factory reset and press the power button. Now type yes on the keyboard, go with volume up button and select factory reset, and tap on factory reset on the screen. All data is deleted including code, passwords and pattern, but hard reset don't delete Google account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. After the delete process is over, tap on the screen, back then on restart to exit the recovery menu and hard reset is done.